Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make glasses frames tighter. First, let's assess your current fit. Take a moment to identify exactly where your glasses feel loose, whether it's sliding down your nose or feeling too wide at the temples. Also, check if your frames are plastic or metal, as this will determine the adjustment method. Finally, gather any small tools you might need, such as a tiny screwdriver for metal frames or a hairdryer for plastic ones. For plastic frames, the key is gentle heat. Use a hairdryer on a low setting, holding it about 6 inches away from the temple arms for approximately 20 seconds. Once the plastic is slightly pliable, carefully bend the temple arms inward at the curve, just behind your ears. Make small adjustments, then let the frames cool completely. This method helps create a more secure and comfortable fit without risking damage to the material. Metal frames often require a different approach. Start by using a small, precision screwdriver to gently tighten any loose screws at the hinges. If the temples are too wide, you can carefully bend them inward using small pliers, ensuring they have protective covers to prevent scratching. For better fit on your nose, gently push the nose pads closer together. Remember to make very small adjustments and try on your glasses after each step to avoid overbending. While many minor adjustments can be done at home, there are times when professional help is best. If your frames are severely bent, cracked, or if you're unsure about making an adjustment, it's always safer to visit an optician. They possess specialized tools and expertise to handle complex repairs and adjustments, ensuring your glasses are perfectly fitted without risking further damage. Don't hesitate to seek their assistance for a truly optimal fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.